How to log out of AvaTrade application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Trading for Beginners tutorial. Logging out of AvaTrade is super important if you're using a shared device or just want to keep your account secure. So here is how you do it. First of all, open the AvaTrade app and make sure that you're inside the home page. Once you're in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the horizontal menu button. Now you'll see a logout button at the top right corner. Simply tap on that. Before logging out, make sure that you remember your credentials. And once you do, tap logout and you'll be redirected to the sign-in page, which means you have successfully logged out. So that's it. If you're using a shared or public device, always remember to log out after using the trading app to keep your account safe. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.